Okay, my husband is opening a TUNERCULT sports car giveaway package, but to enter that one is you need to buy a t-shirt, and I'm gonna get you a scissor, honey. Okay, you got it. And that t-shirt is for him, and he's trying to open it. Don't cut the clothes. Okay. So I'm trying to enter a car giveaway, guys. I hope I win, but I never win.
She bought enough shirts to
Yes.
pay for a car.
Oh, don't cut the t-shirt. Okay. Then I'm excited. Let's see. Oh, I already have that one. Oh, maybe. Let's see.
Money.
That's our receipt.
I want a car.
Nice car. Sports car. Yeah. 52. Oh, that's a nice picture. Okay. Let's see what kind of that. Oh, I love the back. Respect your elders. That's extra. That's large, I think. Why it's so big?
That's a
Is that large?
different kind.
It's big. Oh, I think you cannot wear that because it's taller. I don't want to look like you're wearing a dress. That one is maybe good, yeah. Yeah, that one is shorter. I hope.
It's the same size, same kind of shirt.
Can you try it on? Look at the print. Oh, that's the print. Because that's a mystery t-shirt. That's only $25, I think. So, ayan. It's fit on him. See the back though. Oh, there's nothing. You're funny. It's look nice though. Okay. He loves it. Do you like it?
Yes.
Is the material okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope we win sports car in the picture.
It's a rip-off, honey.
Don't say that to the
You
camera. So this is the car.
Another fish.
The last time I will vote this because I never win. Thanks for watching, guys.